All right, here we go. I'm gonna surprise my daughter Paige with something new, something special. Hey Paige. Hey. Come outside for a second. I gotta show you something. You'll see. I gotta show you something in the garage. I'll open the garage. Stay right there. She has no idea. You know how much you liked that pedal cart at the campground? And we got Curtis one, but you're a little big for it? Guess what I got? Check this out. What do you mean, what is that? What? Come on. Come check it out. What do you mean it's ugly? You know how much I paid for that? What's wrong with it?
It's dirty and rusty.
What do you mean? It's dirty and rusty? There's nothing wrong with that. That's a really well-built cart. Are you kidding me? What? Come on.
Curtis got a brand new one.
What?
Curtis got a brand new.
Yeah, I know, but like I said, that's a little bit small for you, and you know how hard it is to find an adult-sized one? Would you like it better if it was prettier? Yeah? Like if we painted it like custom color for you or something, and I go through and tune it up, give it a new chain or oil it up and all that, would you like it better? Yeah? All right, well let's do something. All right? How about we recondition it together, okay? We'll make it nice. Make it just for you. Okay? All right, what color do you think you want to do it?
I want to do it
Teal? With like a black frame, or like teal front and teal fenders or something?
This frame part, I want
Gray?
This, and then these two,
Teal, okay. That sounds nice. All right, ready? Let's do it. I can't believe it. My goodness. Alrighty, so this is what we're left with after the disassembly. We got the main frame section over here. We got the seat hoop in the back. Got the nose section right here. Chain guards. We got the nose cone over here with the seat behind. And we got the 4 wheels over there. In the back we got the main sprocket, bottom bracket, pedals, and the steering wheel, and just down below we've got the tie rod and the fenders. So over here we got a bucket of soap and water, and Paige is going to do some washing for us. So she's going to rinse down the parts and scrub them all up and see what we get, and then we can sand anything we need to sand and get ready to paint. So here we go. Alright, we are now at the point where everything has been cleaned and painted and everything is ready to be reassembled. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead, get started, get this assembled, and we'll have a new kart.